Hello friends, color grading and light adjustment in Photoshop. Just in clicks via the new Camera Raw filter. Enables professional, non-destructive editing using AI-powered tools. Key techniques involve adjusting exposure, contrast, and highlights in the basic panel. So let's get started. Camera Raw filter enables precise adjustments to color, exposure, texture, and sharpening. We will create a duplicate layer of this image by pressing Ctrl+J. Duplicating a layer in Photoshop is primarily done to create a non-destructive backup. We will convert this duplicate layer into smart filters. Smart filters allow for non-destructive, editable, and reversible image effects. Now, we will open the Camera Raw filter here. In the panel you see on the right, we will use light and color. And we'll adjust the light and color in just a few clicks. Here, we adjust the color first, we'll adjust the lighting later. Color in Camera Raw filters refers to a comprehensive suite of tools for adjusting white balance, saturation, and specific color tones. Here, if you press the Alt key, you can reset all the sliders. Suppose you have adjusted the colors here yourself. And you see that it's not just about adjustments. You can reset all the sliders with one click. Press Alt and click Reset Color. All sliders will return to their starting position. We just have to adjust the colors in the clicks. And now if we pick this tool here, which is the White Balance tool, and with the help of this tool, create a selection over the entire image. This will calculate all the colors in the image, and white balance it. You can see here, that the sliders have changed their values. But, there is another way, so I undo it. Press and hold down the Shift key. So you will see that here, Auto Vibrance and Auto Saturation written. Actually, all these sliders go on auto. Double-click on the temperature slider so it automatically set itself to the value of -16. If you double-click on the tint slider, it will be set to +25. Similarly, double-clicking, vibrance and saturation will auto-adjust them. By pressing the Shift key, we have automatically corrected the colors. Now we will apply the White Balance tool to this image. White Balance tool removes unnatural color casts, allowing white or gray objects to appear neutral under any light source. And you can see that the values of the sliders have changed. Now, we will adjust its light in the same way. Press the Shift key and you will see Auto written with all the sliders. Holding down the Shift key while double-clicking sliders, or using specific tools to apply intelligent, automatic adjustments based on Adobe Sensei AI. It is a quick way to let AI analyze your image and set the best starting point for edits, rather than moving sliders manually. While often good, it may sometimes oversaturate colors, or push adjustments too far. If you are using Camera Raw filter on a smart object, you can always go back and adjust the settings later. Now, the color cast has also disappeared from this image. And the light in the image has also been adjusted. Now, I'm undoing it here. I press Alt and click on the Reset Light. Now press Alt and click on the Exposure slider. The image will turn completely black. Now we will move the slider so that we start seeing the image. We will release the mouse button there. The slider does not adjust by pressing the Alt key on the contrast. In the highlights too, we will move the slider so that we start to see the second color as well. So we'll release the mouse button and the Alt key. Your image will turn white on the shadows. But we don't see any color when we move the slider, so we'll keep it at 0. For whites too, wherever you see two colors, we will release the button there. Same, we will work for blacks, where two colors appear, we will release the button. Pressing and holding the Alt key serves as a modifier to reveal hidden options. Improve precision and reset settings, but Alt plus click on a local correction channel to reset its density. Otherwise, all you have to do is let it auto-adjust. This will allow its AI to analyze the image and automatically adjust the light, whites and blacks sliders in the panel to control the extreme endpoints of image's tonal range. Here you can adjust the background alone. And once the background is selected, you can now manually adjust it. Increase the background contrast a little, and reduce the blacks a little. That is, it is up to you how you adjust here. You can adjust these sliders yourself, keeping an eye on the background. Highlights are dedicated tonal controls used to recover, darken, or brighten the brightest areas of an image, without significantly affecting midtones or shadows. You won't get an auto option here. Holding down the Shift key while working in the masking panel is used to intersect a new mask component with an existing one. If you click Intersect, you will see many options to select. Suppose I select a color range, so I can adjust the background color range here. The Intersect option will only appear when you press the Shift key. Camera Raw filter allows you to use the Intersect function, which acts as a powerful refinement tool to select only the overlapping areas of multiple masks. And when you are satisfied with the image, click OK. And then you can now see the difference between before and after. The lighting in the first image was not adjusted, and there was a yellow cast to the image. And this image is later color graded and the light is also adjusted. This is a trick that you don't need to make any adjustments yourself. The camera filter's AI will also automatically perform color grading and adjust lighting. I hope you like this video about this trick. Well, that's about it. This is Kaiser Qureshi saying, keep learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.